add your account here for people to discover Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I already added my account to this Instagram story, and let me show you how to do it too. First of all, I will go out of here, and from this page you have to go to your profile page and take a screenshot, and then you will use that screenshot to your story. So you can go to the search icon from the bottom of the page and search for either my account, which is Ali and John, or this first account, which is the original one. But if you go to my account, then you will find the sticker much more easier. So go to Ali and John YTT, and then from here you have to click to viral now at highlights. It's better for you to not go to story because that will expire in just a few hours. So go to viral now, and then you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. And from here you have to go to your uploads and choose the screenshot that you took earlier. So it's this one, and then from here you can make it smaller or bigger. You can even add some circles to show them your name much more clear. You can do it like this, and you can make the sticker bigger or smaller as well. And from here you just have to click on send to, then click on share to your story, and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. And if you have problems by clicking to that add yours button, then you can check out our video which is showing you how to solve that problem. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.